Teenagers. You have probably heard it too many times in your life. Actually, the age of 13 to 19 is the teenage in everyone's life, as the pronunciation of the age number has teen in it. In my case, I have just passed my teenage in last month, 24th August 2020. That was my 20th birthday. So here you go. I am trying to narrate my own opinions in this topic as I have just experienced it. Teenage. Tips time now. When you reach your teenage years, you might wish to be treated more like an adult, to be given more independence and more say over your life, to wear more grown-up clothes, to watch more grown-up movies, and to do more grown-up things, and of course, more attentions like adult people get. Growing up shouldn't, however, be something we try to make happen. It should just happen by itself as and when the right time comes. In all honesty, you should try to embrace your childhood for as long as you can, because this is the time when you will live the most carefree of your days on this earth. So, don't rush to grow up. It's often in your teenage years that you first start thinking about your future. You might begin to consider the types of career you want to have or the lifestyles you want to lead. I should say to you, though, that you cannot always stick rigidly to your plan, no matter how well thought out it may be. While it is prudent to have some goals that you would like to attain in life, you have to be accepting when things don't follow the path you have set out. So, don't try to plan your entire life out. While you should never underestimate the power of friendship to see you through the ups and downs, the fact of the matter is that very few of your current friends will remain your friends into adult life. As much as this may be upsetting to hear, and however sad you may be when a friendship ends, you should know that a new one might be just around the corner. Not all friends drift apart, however, and what you will probably find is that those friendships you treasure most are the ones that you will go to the greatest lengths to maintain. So, friends will come and go. Cool is just a matter of opinion. So, if you spend too much time trying to conform to every possible fashion trend or other act of cool, then you will not have much time to be yourself. As cliched as this sounds, you should not underestimate the power of just being you. By doing so, you will naturally attract and be attracted to people with whom you are most likely to form deep bonds, rather than the superficial ones that are likely when you try to put on an act. If you allow yourself to be who you are, you will be more satisfied in life and probably happier as well. And one more thing, you are beautiful as you are, so don't get upset for your physical appearances or body structures. Always remember, saying no is fine. As a teenager, you may find that there is a lot of pressure to say yes to everything. This could come from your friends or from other people you know in and out of school. There may come a time when the feelings and thoughts associated with being a teenager get too much, and it is then a good idea to seek help. Another point, stay open-minded to the views and opinions of others. As you grow older, you begin to form your own worldview, and you might have very strong opinions on certain topics. But you should listen what other people are saying and be aware that their views are not necessarily a personal attack. Staying on the subject of the view you take of the world, you should accept that this will change as you progress through your teenage years and as you continue into your adult life. You should embrace this process rather than fight against it. Understand the power of time. You probably are not making a ton of money right now, but that doesn't matter. What matters is time, and your money has a lot of it. Start a money saving habit today, and don't forget to track your spending. Wherever you are, be all there. Don't spend your time wishing you were somewhere else or with a different person. In other words, live in the moment. Instead of longing for the past or wishing for the future, embrace the exact circumstances you are in now. So, now, some of my favorite quotes I am going to narrate. Number 1. Expect nothing and appreciate everything. 2. Fill your life with adventures, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Number 3. It is a quote of Bill Nye. Everyone you will ever meet knows something you don't. Number 4. Be somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody. Number 5. Don't get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Some points now. Be aware before doing anything. Do what you love. And never take drugs. Draw your future, love life, and pray. Choose your friends wisely. Be active in sports and social activities. Now the most important thing. Tensions are tensions. Keep distance from it, and also from depression and anxiety. Avoid over expectations. Get a good eating and sleeping habits. Don't take any fictional character as your idol. In fact, don't watch movies with violences, and same for video games. Don't keep a unhealthy social media as it is very harmful for you. And last but not the least, always keep miles distance from risky sexual activity and behavior. Stay safe, teenagers. See you soon in another video. Till then, goodbye.